Hey there! Get ready to turn heads this Halloween with the hilarious beer and lime couple's costume, the perfect choice for food-loving duos looking to make a splash at any party. This funny and unique adult bodysuit set is designed to bring out the fun in your relationship, combining the refreshing zest of lime with the classic appeal of a frothy beer. Crafted for comfort and style, these costumes are easy to slip on and off, ensuring you and your partner can focus on having a blast without any wardrobe malfunctions. The vibrant colors and playful design are sure to spark conversations and laughter, making you the life of the party. Whether you're hitting the town or hosting a spooky gathering at home, this costume duo is a surefire way to showcase your fun-loving spirit. So, why not embrace the quirky side of Halloween and let your personalities shine with this delightful beer and lime combo? Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.